mess it up because I think the short would like ruin the whole thing.
Welcome back to my channel. It's K Michelle, and today we're going to be making a DIY ring light. For anybody else who doesn't want to pay $100-something just yet for a halo light, this is for you. So what you're going to need is most of the stuff I had at home, and the other stuff I just ordered on Amazon. So I got a wreath that you usually use for Christmas, but just without the like greenery and stuff on it. So you're gonna want one of those and some cardboard. You can probably get this. I just got a foam board from like Walmart, Dollar Tree, whatever, and those are really cheap too. You can get whatever size wreath you want. Mine is 16 inches, which is like kind of small, but I didn't want to go too big because like I feel like the wider the light, the less direct it is. I don't know. I don't really know much about light, but that's just my theory on it. You know what I'm saying? And then you're going to want to get some, I like the LED lights because I like how bright it looks, the everyday like warm white. I'm not a big fan of that. And I know this video is kind of dark, but that's because I haven't gotten around to making my new ring light. And my old ring light, it's like warm white, so I don't want to use that one either. So at the end, we're going to see what kind of difference this actually makes and if it's really worth having. So this is what the LEDs look like, and you're going to see how those work. And then you're also going to want to have some tin foil, some scissors. My scissors aren't really heavy duty, they're for cutting hair, so I'm using a knife because also this board is kind of thick. A Sharpie and some Scotch packing tape, so that's what I'm using. Let's get started. So first we're going to start by tracing our wreath onto our cardboard. Okay, so as you can see, I traced my wreath onto my cardboard, and there are little gaps in it because of the indents on the wreath, so you can just like fill those in with the marker if you want. And then after that, you're just going to cut out the cardboard. Okay, so as you can see, I have one complete circle. I just find the knife to be more effective for me because this is so thick, but you guys can use scissors if you want to. I just use the knife to get the inner piece out and get that going. Dang. We're finna eat it. If you are under the age of 18, seek parental help during this arts and crafts. Thank you. That is my disclaimer. All right, y'all. So we got this part done. Okay, so this is the part where you need the foil. Okay. And take a piece of foil. You want it to be able to wrap around, so about this size. The size right here is good. Don't know. We're winging it, as I do so well. Shout out to my man J. Cole. You take this foil and you want to wrap it around. Let's share. See? But we got a little gap right there. And clearly this foil is too long to use one piece. But since I'm an innovator, here's what you're gonna do. Take it, boom, bam, cut it. Ka-chow. Ta-da! And now.
I made it for you.
Alright, put it in my drawer of stuff. Bro, stop showing my business. Put it in the drawer.
Bye.
Goodbye. Alright, guys. We finished this ring. You gonna see what we gonna do with that. Now, you want to take this. This is the main event, the main attraction. And you want to add the lights to it. Now, the lights I got, they're pretty cool because, let me show y'all. I don't know. What? You can dim them. How cool is that? Okay. And you just like, here's the power adapter. So make sure when you order these that you get the ones with the power adapter. Because there are some like cheaper ones. They're really not that expensive in general. But there are some cheaper ones. But they don't come with the power adapter. And without the power adapter, it's not going to work. So yeah. You're obviously going to need to be able to reach this. Let me get closer. Let me get closer. Okay. So, I'm sticking this through the bottom of here. And it's got like this on the back because this is sticky, right? So, you're going to start taking that off. Be gentle with me. Be gentle. Okay? Don't want to mess it up because that's... I think a short would like ruin the whole thing. Anyways. Yeah. So I'm just going to stick that in through there. And then to the bottom. Like so. You feel me? Yeah, just like that. And then you're just gonna start pulling that off and sticking this on here. razzle dazzle me. Let's plug her up and see what she can do. Hook this baby up. Come on now. Come on now. What? Period? Heard you. Alright. Let me quit fooling around. Now, what you gotta do is we're basically at the end. This really does not take long at all. I'll probably been sitting here maybe 30 minutes tops. And I just feel like that's really, well, you gotta take these together. And then we gonna be done.
Don't want to mess it up because I think the short would like ruin the whole thing.
Are you kidding me? If you didn't see what happened, I broke the power conductor off of my LED strip. If this happens to you, don't fret because it can be fixed. First, what I'm doing here is cutting away at the tape to expose the beginning of the LED strip. Once you've exposed the beginning of the LED strip where the power conductor broke off, you're going to want to cut at the nearest cutting site or the next cutting site. Once you've cut at the next cutting site, you can reattach the power conductor using a soldering gun and solder. You probably won't need new solder because the power conductor already has solder on it. As you can see here, I'm taking the soldering gun and applying it to the solder that's already on the power conductor. Make sure that you do not solder the two different wires together because if they touch while the power is on, it will not work. On top of that, you're probably going to need an extra pair of hands to hold the power conductor in place as you solder. If you need any more advice, be sure to check out YouTube or Google. Alright y'all, so I'm being extra careful until I can get some electric tape or something to go over this power source, or I don't really know what they're called. But yeah, y'all, be careful. I tore it. This stuff is not that sturdy. I'm gonna finish putting some tape over it and like stuff and try to keep my hands off of it so that I don't mess it up until I can get something to secure it. But as you can see, this light, y'all, let me show y'all the difference. Let me show you the difference. No light. Okay, let me show you with the light again. Wow. So yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys decide to make your own ring lights, just tell me like how it goes. Y'all just tell me like if y'all love it, because I love it, and what I love more is saving money. I love saving money, y'all. I love it. Okay, so y'all just let me know. Leave comments down below how it works out for y'all. I just like in love, y'all. In love, truly. Alright, so make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bells on, all that if you found this video to be helpful and you want to see more content like this. Ooh, that bothered me. And thank y'all for tuning in. I'm see y'all next time on our next video. This came to show y'all.